what's up? This is Hector Rivera, HectorPhotography.com. I haven't vlogged in a long time. Yo, I got the SkyRover, man. Just bought the SkyRover, man. The SkyRover is amazing. I'm using the internet hit, man. The internet. So I had bought the SkyRover, the S1, and I freaking crashed it. And well, I didn't crash it. Is that the camera or that? I'm filming with the DJI 4K 60, DJI Pocket 3. This thing is amazing. Is it tracking me? Yes, sir. I'm the album master. Hector Rivera, HectorPhotography.com. So I'm showing this drone because I bought the SkyRover, bro. Sorry, bro. This gotta be professional. So I bought the I was tired of buying the DJI with all this freaking things that's happening with DJI, all these freaking limitations, all these cancellations, all these rules and all that stuff. Somebody put me on SkyRover drones, man. They're amazing drones. And I bought the SkyRover. It was awesome. I was using it for like 6 months. Then I crashed it, and then I bought another one, and I didn't crash it. What happened was when I took it to the field by the Fiesta in Paramus. If you shoot there, there's a I'm looking at the thing here. I'm supposed to look at that. There's a golf course, and they have a net. And I was flying it backwards, and I was right behind the building, and the building's behind the building right behind the net's behind the building. I didn't see that building, and that SkyRover S1 crashed. So I was like, damn! I just had it for 2 weeks. So you know what? I didn't bother getting a replacement. I mean, I went and got the SkyRover X1 that has the you know more you know, eyes per se. So this, here it goes right here. I got the X1. Got it right here in front of me. I paid, now it's on yeah, $419. Yeah. So this is amazing. You know, 4K 60, 8K 48 megapixels. Aperture has a 1.7 aperture. What it does, SR-Log 10-bit HLG. Let me see what kind of dual track spotlight. Smart Go 240, less than 249 grams, less than 249 grams. I'm making sense. 249 weight. 32-minute flight time. I think the S1. This is the X1. The S1 does, I think, longer. It's a 40-minute flight time. I don't get it. 360 obstacle sensing. Cool, right? What else? Yeah. 5 kilo km max takeoff at altitude. So yeah, man. So yeah, the SkyRover is 4K 60, but doesn't do 60. Doesn't do. Oh, that's 8K. Wow, look at that. Both do. So the difference is the S1 does 8-bit, and the X1 does 10-bit color mode. All right. So and dual track spotlight, AI tracking, and the other one, the S1 does A1 tracking also. Yeah. Vertical shooting, native vertical mode, true 4K. The S1 does 2K, 2.7 vertical shooting, vertical mode. Smart Go, quick shots, whatever that means. The S1, remember guys, 40 max flight time. And this is 32-minute flight time. I got my cheat in front of me. So I bought this one, I think $450, it was on sale. But I'm about to fly this baby. So, man, this is a great drone, man. And a fantastic price. If you think you want a DJI, make smart move and get a SkyRover. All the same features at half the price. Yeah. So, I love this drone. It does everything. I'm trying to look for something else here. Anyway, I hope so far it's a great starter device for my hobby. I mean, I use it for my weddings. The S1, I took some crazy videos, and photos and videos matter incredibly. Easy to use too. So far, I'm almost everything really looks intuitive. So, yeah. So I'm trying to look for something. What else here? Let me see. Yeah, I got the I bought the SkyRover X1 here. So it's right here. Look, see X1 right here. Look at it. Up in your head with the albums. I'm doing the drone. Look at that drone. It's got eyes everywhere. Boom, 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 boom. That's why I bought this one. Eyes in the bottom. I'm gonna fly it and I'm gonna show you right after this video. I'm gonna show you the X1, man. They have the SkyRover X1 also. Wait, I'm gonna show the reason I bought it because it's got more eyes. So I'm looking. What is this called? Forward. The S1 does forward, downward obstacle sensing. This one does 360 obstacle sensing. That's why I bought it. And I think it goes max transmission range 9 miles. Yo, that's crazy. This thing can go 9 miles. So can I go to the hood and come back? Crazy, broski. Yeah, find your perfect match. The controller, I have the controller right here. Here's the controller right here. Look, that's the controller. Let's see, built-in controller. What we got? Find your perfect match. Okay. Let me see what the controller have. Controller's no big deal. It's a compact yet cinematic. What else? True vertical shooting. Okay, so let me read this to you guys. Hold on. What else? Yeah, right now I'm looking at the website. It's $419. The unlimited 8K mini drone. Damn, I hate when this freaking thing just blows up like this. 4K 60. You guys already know that. 5.5 full high definition 700 nit display. What the hell happened here? Hold on. Hate when it does this. The freaking Mac. It's just. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna end my video right here, and I'm gonna fly it right now. Come on, man. I wanted to. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Let me go. Let me do this again. SkyRover. Sorry. I'm 7 minutes into this video. Let me look at it again. Okay, here we go. Sorry, guys. I want to read something to you guys. Something. Ultra. Okay, this is the X1 right here. X1. All right. 360 obstacle avoidance. Super AI night mode. Wow. Extended flight time. Okay. Advanced RTH. Return to home. 5.5 700 nit display. Okay, we got that. Mine's not a nit display. I got this one. I guess they have the one with the TV. Smart AI one tracking. Smart. Yep. Okay. One tap AI night mode driven by advanced AI. Okay. Zoom in without moving in. Wow. Zoom in without moving in. Speed capture. Okay. Tap once, fly like a pro. Okay. Smart control, safe flight. Okay. Go far, see blah 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 blah. I know it's the way back. Okay. Fly longer, worry less. Okay. Build for outdoor flying, no phone needed. Created more, worries less. FCC approved, worry removed. Local support, swap not meant. Top retail supply, easy to find. Brand tax value, okay. True vertical shooting. Yes, sir. Damn close to the thing. Compact yet cinematic. One shot, the whole world. From whipping city skylines, Wisconsin. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay. Just get it, guys. I'm gonna fly it. I'm gonna show you a video after this. I'm gonna fly it right now and show you some footage, right? It's a nice weather. It's 5 o'clock, 5:10, Passaic Park. Take it around, show you the footage. Hector Rivera Photography. Keep shooting, guys. Peace out. Hector Rivera Photography. Boom.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night. Under street lamp, bent face flamed by the light. I'm going away, I'm going away, I'm going away. as I can hold. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Yeah, I'm motorboating. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. Yeah. And the sun gonna